So first you want to fold up the trolley and turn it upside down. You can remove the wheels to brace it, to keep it stable so it's not rocking back and forth. Then you want to notice the set screw in the collar here. You want to remove that. Okay, the set screw is out, and we're going to slide this collar off of this sleeve over this way to about here. You might need a flathead screwdriver or a wrench to pry it off. So you could use a wrench and just pry that off like so. Then the axle will run back and forth freely, and if you notice down here there's a little divot right here, and you're going to line that up with that hole in the sleeve, and then you need to drop the ball bearing in there. Now the divot is lined up with the sleeve, the hole there. You put this little ball bearing in there, tap it down with a small hammer. Okay, so the ball bearing's in the hole and it's in the divot. Now we want to rotate the collar so this threaded hole is on the opposite side of this, and then slide it over like so. Then you're going to take the axle and spin it backwards. You might have to put the wheel back on until you see the threaded area there. Set screw back in and tighten it up, and it should be all good. Just make sure it's really nice and tight in there, and that's it.